Hi everyone. Today, we invite you into a world where two legends meet. Where motorsport precision merges with custom craftsmanship. Where the Porsche 911 GT3 RS Weissach package finds its sequel, not on four wheels, but on two. This is GP-Weissach. A custom Breakout 117 created as the perfect counterpart to Stefan's Porsche GT3 RS. A duo built with one vision, one language, and one unmistakable character. This project began with inspiration. A bike that mirrors the essence of one of the most capable track machines ever produced. The result stands before you, a Harley-Davidson that carries the soul of the GT3 RS, translated, reinterpreted, and reborn. From the very first glance, the connection is unmistakable. The GP-Weissach echoes the GT3 RS not through imitation, but through design philosophy. Color, form, materials, proportions, all aligned with the Porsche's identity, yet independent in execution. You'll see it in the period accents, carefully placed throughout the bike. A color tone taken directly from the Porsche's magnesium wheels, bold, precise, and unmistakably motorsport. These highlights bring the GT3 RS aesthetic into the world of custom Harley-Davidson design. The open primary drive reveals raw mechanical beauty, while the milled monoblock wheels reflect the lightweight philosophy of the Weissach package. Lightweight construction saves around 15 kilograms. Visible carbon fiber components define the body, the front lid, roof, mirror housings, window triangles, and the movable part of the rear wing, all in high-gloss carbon, all unmistakably Weissach. The base platform is the Harley-Davidson BREAKOUT FXBRS, the flagship of the Softail lineup, powerful, long, and aggressive. Its wide frame forms the perfect foundation for our signature GP rear conversion. The cockpit uses the original digital speedometer, cleanly integrated into a meticulously milled triple clamp, a detail that mirrors the clarity and focus of a GT3 RS instrument cluster. New features include the aerodynamically optimized triple clamps, revised handlebar stems with Rebuffini RR90 fittings and a redesigned GP front mask. The open primary drive makes a clear technical statement. The suspension is complemented by an air ride system at the front and a hydraulically adjustable system at the rear, which lowers the bike when stationary. The color concept, which draws its inspiration from an icon, is particularly eye-catching, the period accents of the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. After anodizing, the surfaces were specifically milled to emphasize light edges and give the design more depth and movement. The result is an independent, technically sophisticated look that perfectly matches the character of the bike. What is simply a functional component on many bikes becomes a real eye-catcher on this motorcycle. The open primary drive exposes the mechanics in all their precision and gives the left side additional color and depth. The sound had to match the appearance. The solution, our house-made GP exhaust system. The GP-Weissach is more than a technical masterpiece, it is a stylistic homage to the Porsche performance heritage. The Screaming Eagle air filter has been adorned with the Weissach logo and the ignition cover with the GP graphic, a subtle but confident nod to the origin of the inspiration. Two vehicles united by the same claim, technically sophisticated details, sporty looks and absolute individuality. Stefan said it best, I aimed for 100%, and you delivered 110. Absolute top class. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to meet a custom motorcycle that is individual down to the very last detail. This is the 2025 Harley-Davidson BREAKOUT 117 custom by THUNDERBIKE. Crossout, a machine built with character, attitude, and a personal touch that makes it stand apart from the crowd. It's a Breakout designed with you, the rider, in mind. Every feature has been carefully chosen, not only to catch the eye but also to deliver a unique riding experience. At its core, the bike comes with the large fork rake of the standard Breakout, creating the perfect foundation and offering plenty of space for the commanding front wheel. And that front wheel is a true statement, a fully polished 23-inch Thunderbike spoke with a black deep rim. Its two-tone design sets the tone for the entire build, a theme you'll see repeated across the bike, ensuring a consistent and striking look. A minimal front fender has been chosen deliberately, leaving the wheel on full display and making it the star of the front end. For your comfort, Thunderbike combined original risers with their torque handlebars. With their stronger bend, the bars sit closer to your shoulders, giving you an upright, relaxed seating position. Add in the subtle yet effective headlamp cap that seamlessly connects the risers to the front end, and you've got a design that not only looks compact and clean but also supports long-distance comfort. Less strain on your lower back, a straighter riding posture, and noticeably more ease, even on extended tours. Wide and easy to drive, the rear features a fully polished 9 to 21-inch spoke wheel with a deep black bed. Together with the 260 Metzler, it creates a wide, eye-catching profile without compromising on rideability. Our goal remains clear: custom bikes must not only look spectacular, but also be functional in everyday life. The entire rear end is covered by our steel fender with integrated 3-in-1 lighting, providing a clean and legal solution. The Kreuz foyer swing arm provides the rear wheel with the perfect frame. In combination with the pulley brake system, which moves the disc to the opposite side, the rim remains free of obstructions on the visible side. The pulley and brake disc in the rim design provide harmonious details that complete the look down to the finest detail. The Medium Pro license plate holder is attached to it and has a TÜV certificate. No compromises were made when it came to the seat, either. Jimmy from Spirit Leather created a unique piece made from smooth leather and Alcantara featuring fine diamond stitching and a personalized customer plaque. It combines comfort and exclusivity, matching the rest of the bike. The paint design is particularly eye-catching. Fine graphics were applied to the tank using water transfer printing and are framed by further details and pinstripes. The tank, front fender and rear fenders, lamp mask and derby cover were all designed in the same style, giving the entire bike a seamless look. The 3D Willie G skull on the derby cover is emphasized further by the paintwork, with the eyes providing a striking accent. The Crossfire Bug spoiler, featuring the same elaborate paint design, completes the look. The result is a spectacular yet practical bike that looks impressive and performs well in everyday use. If you're watching this video, get ready to meet a machine that turns raw power into art, and attitude into motion. This is the Grey Hunter, a fully reimagined custom build based on the 2025 Harley-Davidson BREAKOUT 117. A bike crafted not just to be ridden, but to be hunted for. And unforgettable once found. At its heart, Harley-Davidson equips the BREAKOUT with the mighty 117 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight engine. With 103 horsepower and a massive 168 Nm of torque, this powerhouse transforms every twist of the throttle into instant, muscular response. It's a cruiser that refuses to behave like one, a machine that carries sporty DNA under its stretched, aggressive stance. But our story begins with an Alpine Green factory BREAKOUT, chosen as the base for a complete redesign. What followed was a project built from vision, precision, and uncompromising craftsmanship. The result? A custom motorcycle with a character of its own, cleaner lines, sharper edges, premium engineering, and a collection of components manufactured exclusively for this build. A machine we proudly call the Grey Hunter. To set the tone, the stock cast wheels were exchanged for our 3-piece Vegas wheels, finished in deep gloss black, 21 inches at the front, 18 at the rear. paired with the Mara Vegas Wave design brake discs, including a massive 340mm disc at the front. The radially mounted caliper sits on custom adapters, adding both performance and visual presence. And look closer, the front fork has been treated with black DLC coating, shining stealth black while dramatically increasing surface hardness and durability. The chassis takes the riding experience to a new level. Up front, a lowering kit sharpens the bike's profile, while the rear is controlled by our slam-tail air ride system. With just the push of a button, you command a height-adjustable, perfectly balanced suspension setup, sporty, linear, and tailored to every moment on the road. The front section of the Grey Hunter is unmistakably custom. A low-slung GRP front fender hovers over the 21-inch wheel, joined by our Crossfire front spoiler and matching headlamp cap. You'll also find our satin-finished grips and forward-mounted phantom footrest systems, adding ergonomic precision and visual contrast. The stripe indicators sit discreetly beneath the levers, completing the cockpit alongside our fun ride instrument toppers, subtle but striking. Move to the rear, and you'll discover another transformation. Our steel rear fender, fitted with integrated tail lights, forms the backbone of the new tail section. For riders who prefer versatility, a removable passenger seat pad blends clean design with practical use. The seat shell, also from our steel line, is topped with a handcrafted saddle from Spirit leather, adding that final touch of craftsmanship. But one of the standout features, something every enthusiast will notice, is the pulley brake conversion. Here, the brake disc is mounted on the left side, tucked between the pulley and the rim. Why? Because this design leaves the right-hand Vegas wheel completely exposed, giving the bike a more open, dramatic visual profile. The rear end is finished with a widened 260mm tire, replacing the stock 240 and delivering a broader, more powerful stance. All these elements combine into more than just a motorcycle. They create a presence, a silhouette, a predator on two wheels. Pure performance. No compromise. If you're watching this, you're not looking for ordinary. You're looking for what happens when a production motorcycle is pushed far beyond its limits, without losing its soul. This is the Trooper. A custom build based on the Harley-Davidson BREAKOUT 117, and a clear demonstration of just how far this platform can be developed using our components and engineering philosophy. The BREAKOUT already delivers a powerful performance cruiser concept. But with the Trooper, that concept has been taken to an entirely new level, visually, technically, and emotionally. The foundation remains solid: engine, frame, and the unmistakable BREAKOUT layout. On top of that, we layered a consistently sport-oriented Grand Prix setup. Paired with a bold Iron Maiden the Trooper paint scheme, the element that ultimately gave this bike its name. One of the most significant highlights appears at the rear. For the very first time, our Pro Performance swing arm has been installed on a BREAKOUT. Designed specifically for wide soft-tail frames, this component alone completely transforms the character of the bike. Milled from solid aluminium, the Pro Performance swing arm replaces the original tubular construction with a striking, high-tech design. Three goals defined its development: maximum torsional rigidity, sporty, aggressive lines, and the lowest possible weight. To achieve this, the swing arm was completely redesigned from the ground up. The arms are hollow milled to reduce mass, while an additional reinforcement cover adds stiffness, a solution inspired directly by modern superbike engineering. The complex contours are only possible thanks to state-of-the-art CNC milling technology, reflecting the highest standards we apply to all chassis components. And because performance must also be safe and legal, the Pro Performance swing arm is delivered with a TÜV certificate, a true high-performance alternative for riders who demand design, function, and quality without compromise. Moving forward, the GP aluminium tank immediately catches the eye. Developed and manufactured entirely in-house, it integrates all necessary technology, fuel pump, sensors, and connections, while refining the bike's silhouette. Shorter, more compact, with sharper edges and a powerful transition into the seat area. The rear continues this Grand Prix design language. A compact GP-style rear fender integrates LED tail and brake lights cleanly into its form. The result is a tidy, technical rear end that leaves an unobstructed view of the wheel, swing arm, and drive, exactly where the engineering deserves to be seen. At the front, the performance focus becomes even clearer. A GP triple clamp with additional rake works in combination with clip-on handlebars mounted directly on the fork stanchions. This setup lowers the rider position, increases front-end feedback, and creates a more active, aggressive riding posture. The wheels come from our Vegas Cut series, featuring straight spokes and distinctive screw connections. Dimensionally, the setup stays true to the Breakout class, 21 inches at the front, 18 at the rear. But visually and technically, everything has been redefined. At the rear, our integrated pulley brake with an inward-mounted disc keeps the entire wheel fully visible, enhancing the clean, mechanical look. Up front, an enlarged 340mm Vegas Wave brake disc, combined with radial calipers mounted via our adapter system, delivers powerful, consistent braking and additional reserves for sporty riding. Dark, technical details tie the entire build together. Powder-coated engine components blend seamlessly into the overall concept, while the fork stanchions receive a black DLC coating, one of the most advanced surface treatments available today. It improves durability, reduces friction, and reinforces the Trooper's uncompromising performance aesthetic. Numerous in-house components complete the build. The headlamp cap, side license plate holder, GP front fender, GP front spoiler, GP rear fender with integrated turn signals, and many other finely detailed parts. None of them shout for attention. Instead, they work together to create clean lines, sharp edges, and a unified technical appearance. It is a coherent conversion concept, engineered, designed, and executed as a whole. The final layer is the paintwork. In collaboration with Chico's Pinstriping, the theme Iron Maiden, the Trooper was translated into a multi-layered custom finish. Classic Iron Maiden elements merge with our Grand Prix styling, capturing the raw spirit of the music and transforming it into visual motion. The customer's vision was clear, and it has been realized with precision and character. In the end, the Trooper makes one thing unmistakably clear. This is pure drag-style performance. Built for enthusiasts who value individuality, craftsmanship, and uncompromising technology. This is the Breakout, evolved. This is the Trooper. Thanks for watching.